Thank you all for joining us today. My name is Monsi Samuel. A quick introduction. I handle product marketing for Zoho Marketing Automation, and I'll be your host today. We'll be talking about omni-channel advantage, how you can connect different channels, and then craft a unique experience on all these channels. We are joined by Ashraf from marketing, Nagaraj from support, and Ajit as well. So we'll talk about predominantly, this is the agenda which we have said, talk about omni-channel marketing. This has been a buzzword for a couple of years right now. I'm pretty sure you all know, or you have your own definitions of omni-channel marketing. So we'll analyze what omni-channel marketing is, why businesses prefer omni-channel marketing, and debunk common misconceptions between multi-channel and omni-channel. When should a business opt for multi-channel or go for omni-channel? And then I'll show you how you can craft omni-channel experience using Zoho Marketing Automation. Towards the end, some key metrics to measure your overall campaign performance, right? So I can see, just to uh, narrate about the results of the polls. Thank you so much for participating in the poll. And yeah, so you can see then a lot of you are not just using email. You can see there are a lot of us who are using SMS, WhatsApp, and other channels as well. So this session is definitely going to add value for you as a business. So let's see what omni-channel marketing is. Right. So omni-channel marketing, to give a small definition, it's about creating a connected experience across all touch points. So these touch points or these channels can be website, your stores, your email, SMS, or WhatsApp, or social media. So the key thing here is there is this consistent flow of communication or flow of information from your brand to your end customers or your leads. So that is what omni-channel marketing is all about. It's about creating or crafting a unique connected experience across all these channels. So to put it into perspective, it's like talking to one single person over different channels. This can be email, SMS, or WhatsApp, but you are having the same conversation, and there is absolutely no disjoint. There is no kind of hindrances in these channels. So you know what you have been talking in the specific channel, and there is this continuity across these channels. So this is what omni-channel basically means. So why do businesses prefer omni-channel marketing? So obviously, for the first and foremost nature of seamless, communication or seamless customer experience across these channels. So as we saw, there are different channels which we are using, right? So you can't expect your customers to still use just email marketing or email as a channel. They are always on WhatsApp. They can be using SMS, or it could be social media which they are predominantly using. So as a business or as a brand, your main focus would be to drive these communication from your brand across all these channels, and these channels talk to each other. So there is absolutely no disjoint, and you are able to drive this communication across these channels and create that seamless customer experience on all these channels as well, right? And it's a customer centric approach, in the sense it focuses on your customers data. So this can be your customers behavior data, or their past purchasing patterns. How do they interact with your brand? How often do they buy from your brand, and where do they come from, and how close are they with you? So when you have these information available with you as a business, the possibilities of personalization is going to be huge. You can understand the level of segmentation, the level of personalization you can do with all these information available firsthand, right? So we businesses also rely on cross-channel marketing campaigns, which is nothing but having multiple channels together in one single journey. So to give you an example, let's say your customer is on email. He prefers email communication, and then suddenly switches to WhatsApp as a channel. So as a business, you give this constant communication or flow of communication from your brand from email and switches to WhatsApp as and when your end customer or your lead moves from or shifts from email to WhatsApp. So towards the end of the session, I'll show you how we can create this cross channel marketing campaigns within Zoho Marketing Automation. And this overall thing adds to your ROI and helps you improve your marketing efficiency as well, right? So let's debunk what are the misconceptions, or let's look at what is the main difference between omni-channel marketing and multi-channel marketing. The major difference here is, if you are opting for multi-channel marketing, there are different channels which is being used in both the approaches, but the only difference is these channels, when it is acts as an individual channel, it's multi-channel, wherein if you have this connected experience or integrated across these channels, it's omni-channel marketing. So let's put it this way: you have a customer and that person uses email, and you are running a conversation or running a promotion to that particular individual on email, and suddenly that person shifts to SMS or WhatsApp. Now in multi-channel, the case would be you will have to start the conversation again from the starting, because you have absolutely no context what you have been talking on email, right? But if it is an omni-channel marketing, it will be a connected experience. You can continue from where you stop. So each channel talks to each other. This is what the major difference is between omni-channel marketing and multi-channel marketing. Omni-channel is more focused on customer and creating that experience, whereas multi-channel is more focused on product, I would say. So this is to drive more promotional centric campaigns and more focused on selling things rather than creating or crafting an experience. Then businesses can opt multi-channel. There is absolutely uh, nothing bad with choosing multi-channel marketing. It does work for some businesses, doesn't work for some businesses. So I'll show you a use case wherein there is a cafe and it's called Hot Brew, and they are using email and Instagram page, and they also have a physical store in place, right? So as a business here, if you are using or if you are opting multi-channel marketing in this use case, these channels won't have, you'll be running different kind of promotions on your Instagram page, you'll be running promotions of your favorite coffee on email, and you also have an in-store, right? And the end person who's receiving these promotions, when they go about these emails or this Instagram page and then orders a coffee from your store, when that person comes to pick up from your store, that brand or that store won't have enough data to relate to who this person is, or from where he has come from, or what is his or her favorite coffee, and how often that person has been shopping from your store. This is the case of multi-channel. So each time that person orders a coffee and comes to your store, it will be like having three different, if, let's say if he orders for three times, he'll be having three different conversations with three different baristas. In case of omni-channel, it's the other way. So let's say somebody, you send an email or you see an ad on Instagram about your favorite coffee, gets tempted and goes back to your website, places an order to pick it up, and as and when that person reaches that shop, you already have the data of who that person is and what that person's favorite coffee is, and what is their usual order, and how often they have been visiting your store. So you can create that in-person experience or in-store experience, personalized experience, using omni-channel as well. And as I mentioned, there is absolutely nothing wrong with multi-channel approach. So there are businesses who don't rely on different channels. It could be just email or SMS, or combination of both, which they are happy to, where their target audience are. And if it is at that scale which they are looking at, they can definitely choose to go with multi-channel approach. But then if you are going to have a connected, or if you want to serve a connected experience for your end users as customers, you can definitely go for omni-channel marketing here, right? So if at all you choose omni-channel marketing, you can see there is almost 300 percentage of ROI coming in as sales in case of using omni-channel marketing in your business. So this is a stats from McKinsey. So this is how omni-channel marketing is gonna add value to your business, right? So this is the case of most of you, I would say. So we want to choose multi-channel marketing approaches or omni-channel marketing approaches in our businesses, but then we are still stuck with spreadsheets and Excel sheets, right? Wherein we have to manage data manually, know who our leads are, have these contact databases separately, and it's a different kind of challenge which we are facing here, right? So if you can relate to this particular cartoon, this session is definitely gonna help you. So we can change all this and create or craft a connected experience using Zoho Marketing Automation. So Zoho Marketing Automation is a multi-channel, omni-channel marketing automation software from Zoho. It helps you create unique experiences across different channels, right? We support different kind of channels. I'll go to that bit in a bit. So I'll show you how you can craft unique connected experiences using Zoho Marketing Automation. I'm going to show you two major use cases from Zoho Marketing Automation. So one is for hospital industry and one is for retail industry, right? So let's go with Aster Health. This is a hospital who wants to scale their business. They want to grow and they want to run timely communications to their end users, to their patients, right? So here, what they are looking at is they want to improve their communication. They want to do it. They want to do more of personalization here. They want to send timely follow-ups to their patients who have booked appointments with them, send them relevant updates about their needs, and then automate their entire journey as well. So this is what Aster Health was looking for. And then for they wanted to run a free health checkup for Aster Health specifically. So they created a landing page wherein they can go ahead and supply to their have it hosted on their website or promote it on social media as well. So as and when people goes and signs up, they can see and uh, understand which department they want to, which specialties they want to sort of choose. It can be cardiology, oncology, based on those needs. They go ahead and then opt for that particular service, fix that appointment, and as soon as they fix the appointment, an email is triggered to that person who fixed appointment with Aster Health, right? And this is a personalized email sending them a welcome note and telling these are the services which we have, which Aster Health has, and then based on what specialty they have chosen. So somebody would have chosen cardiology, somebody would have chosen nephrology, right? So based on this specialties they have availed, we'll have different kind of emails being sent, emails or SMS campaigns being sent to these patients who have availed this service. And it doesn't stop there. It also helps you send a different kind of appointment reminders for the people who have registered for that free health checkup. So let's say the appointment is 3 days from today. Follow-up is being sent 3 days before, and after a day you send them a follow-up on WhatsApp or SMS so that they don't really miss out on that, and make sure that they come back to this Astra Health and get their appointments done and get healed. And also based on the specialty they have taken or opted, we keep sending them personalized emails as well. And because of this they were able to improve their communication, send personalized communication to their patients, bring in more appointments. There was seamless flow of appointments, made sure people actually showed up for the appointments as well. And the follow-up care actually improved a lot using Zoho Marketing Automation. So I'm going to show you how this use case was achieved. So I'll quickly share my screen. Here is the landing page which we are talking about. Hope you all can see the screen. Give me a thumbs up if you all can see the screen right now. I see a lot of thumbs up coming in. Thanks, guys. So if you have any trouble seeing the screen, do a quick refresh and then you'll be able to see it. So this is the landing page which Aster Health had built. So we have different kind of services being listed, and towards the end you have this data. So let's say I'm going to go with this and sign up with the email, and I want to go for pediatrics, let's say cardiology, and here is how I can choose a date, then schedule the appointment. So what happens when you uh, complete the form is you have these data being populated in Zoho Marketing Automation. So this entire landing page which you saw here has been built using Zoho Marketing Automation. It's a absolutely free tool to build landing pages. You can host as many landing pages you want to build, and so you see these stats, how many visitors we had, how many people have completed the forms, and what kind of contacts have come in. So it also gives you a heat map where in persons are, we can see where they are actually clicking and how they are interacting with the web pages. You can see a lot of clicks here. So this is how you see different kind of engagement on the landing page which we have built. And here is the form reports. It gives a detailed report of how many people have visited and completed the forms. So you can see different kind of detailed insights of your form filling here. And you see the number of contacts which have come. All these are dummy data, so just for reference sake I'm showing it you. And for the response action which we have created, so for the people who have signed up, all these data, all those email, all those name, all the data will be sent to this particular list in Zoho Marketing Automation. So this is the name of that email list which we are bringing in all these data to. If you want to send all these data to straight to your CRM, we can do that as well, but in this case I'm just gonna go with the list here. So as soon as they sign up, we are gonna trigger a welcome journey to these folks, right? So as and when the trigger which I have used, so this is how the journey module looks like. So as and when they uh, get added to this list which we created, Aster Health landing page for signups, we send us a welcome email to them. So this is regardless of their appointment. Everybody gets this email, and this is like a welcome note saying that, hey, this is what Astra Health does, thank you for signing up with us, and we have all these facilities available. And then comes the interesting part. Based on this particular detail or need which they have chosen, if somebody chose cardiology, somebody chose oncology, based on that we'll be sending different kind of emails for each of these specialities. So everybody gets a common welcome email, and then from there we have this personalized approach of, based on the department they have chosen, we send them a second email as well. So there are so many ways to customize this, personalize this. And to the next use case which we are talking about the appointment reminders. So based on the field here, so somebody, this is very interesting actually. We can play around with this trigger. This can be applied in so many of different kind of verticals and businesses. So this is specific to healthcare. So let's say this is the a field which is appointment booking date which we had in the landing page form, and based on that field we want to trigger an email 3 days before the actual appointment. So I've given 3 days here, and this trigger is applied to people who are specifically in this list, which is Aster Health LP signs up. So it makes sure that this particular date field under this list only gets these emails. This is the beauty of it, and the possibilities with date field trigger is amazing. It blows my mind actually. And you can immediately send a appointment email based on that particular a date field, and after a day we have given a time delay of 1 day, we can send another reminder email as well. This way that the patient doesn't miss their free health checkup, and it doesn't just stop there. Just after the second email is being sent on the second day or the third day, we send an SMS as well, so that that person doesn't really miss out on that email and shows up to the uh, free health checkup. So this is how you curate a personalized or omni-channel experience for healthcare for or for hospitals. And because of this, sorry, on share screen, they were able to get improve their appointment, improve their follow-up care, and a lot of things, right? So let's look at Zylker Tech. This is a retail use case which I want to go with. So this is gonna be helpful for folks who can relate to retail. So Zylker Tech basically sells electronic appliances. This can be uh, mobile phones, your earphones, headphones, or laptops as well, right? And they were looking to improve their shopping journey, create a seamless shopping journey for the users, both on store, in store, and online, and improve their shopping experience by making it more personalized, and then reducing their cart abandonment and improving their post conversions as well, boosting their conversions as well. Sorry, right. So for in this case which I have taken, shopper goes to that website of Zylker Tech and then places an order for headphones, but then doesn't really complete that particular order. He or she abandons their cart, and immediately as soon as that person abandons the cart, after an hour, we send them an email asking them, urging them to make or complete the purchase, right? So so if you see the stats, or if you engage a person who has abandoned their cart within 60 to 75 minutes, we have high possibilities of that person returning to your business and completing that purchase, right? But don't worry, you can't lose hope. We can always retarget them with a 10% discount for that headphones on a different channel on WhatsApp. So this actually triggers that psychological effect of then going back to the website and then completing the purchase as well, right? And now when the person has actually completed that order, he wants to go to the store and then pick it up from the store itself, the headphones which he have ordered, right? So as soon as this person walks into a store, you have all these data with the purchase behavioral data, the purchase data, the all the lead data which we have accumulated in Zoho Marketing Automation sent to the CRM. So the staff knows this person, and they can create a special in-store experience for that person as well, right? So based on the data available within Zoho Marketing Automation, this is a firmographic, this is purchase data, this is his behavior, his or her behavior data, which we are talking about. Based on this, you can curate uh, entire shopping experience in store as well, right? So if you see, because of this, they were able to create a seamless journey across website, email, and their stores as well, and they were able to send timely nudges to make sure that they complete the purchases as well. So I'll show you how this has have been done in the back end. So this is the journey. So I'll show you how it works. So we have used the abandoned cart trigger. So we have this trigger specifically in Zoho Marketing Automation. So you can just pick and drop it here just like this. So as soon as you put that, we can see that as soon as somebody abandons this particular product, so you can pick and choose which product are you talking about. So is it gonna be any product in your store, or is it specifically Zylker or this headphone which you're talking about? And you can mention the cart value. So if you want this to be on this emails to be triggered for only products with more than 1000 USD, you can create that as well. So that's what I've created. So as soon as somebody abandons this cart, after an hour, we send them a first re-engagement message saying that, hey, I think you have left something precious in this cart. You can go ahead and purchase it, right? So based on that, we check the email activity. If that person has clicked on it, if at all that person has clicked on it, we can increase the lead score. And if that person hasn't clicked on it, then after 3 days, we send them a WhatsApp reminder as well, saying that, hey, I think there is some item left in your cart and we have offered you a 10% discount, and that way that person goes back to the store and completes the purchases. So this is how you can craft omni-channel experience for a retail industry, and there are a lot of use cases. I'm just going with the common ones here. So we have seen majorly two use cases here: one for hospital industry, one for retail industry as well, right? So if this is gonna help you with Zoho Marketing Automation, you can create different kind of connected experience, just like how we saw here. And we have all these channels available within Zoho Marketing Automation. We have WhatsApp, we have social media, we have email marketing, we have SMS, we have landing pages, web forms as well. We also do have we can also manage offline channels like print and media, and have their budget planning for those channels as well. But predominantly, these are the channels which we support in Zoho Marketing Automation. And the beauty of it is all these channels are tightly integrated with CRM, and there is the seamless flow of data from marketing automation to CRM, and vice versa, CRM to marketing automation as well, right? So when you are creating that journeys with all these channels together, we make sure that this data is being pushed to CRM as well, and everybody gets a piece of it, and they all are in the same page. There is absolutely no design, and that is the core of any omni-channel marketing experience, I would say, right? So we support seamless integrations with more than 55 plus apps within Zoho Marketing Automation ecosystem. So if you are having a store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or Zoho Commerce, or if you have your data on CRM, Salesforce, HubSpot, you can bring in all these data together. Or if you have your data in different third party softwares, you can use API and then bring in all these data together, and then curate or craft a unique experience for all these data which we have, or all these contacts which we are bringing in. So before we close this session, I'm going to go ahead and show you how we can curate a cross-channel marketing campaign. So this is what we have been talking about. So this is a single journey wherein you can use multiple touch points or multiple channels here. So I'm going to go with email, SMS, and WhatsApp here just for context. So the use case here is you have a website and you have a brochure on that particular website, and you want this journey to be triggered when somebody downloads that brochure specifically. So as and when that goal is achieved, so this is a website goal which we have created in our website analytics module within Zoho Marketing Automation. So you can integrate your website within Zoho Marketing Automation, see different kind of stats, how many visitors, and where are they coming in from, what sources are they coming in from. Basically, see the entire analytics of your website as well, right? So the goal which I have created here is downloading brochure. So somebody downloads a brochure on your website, we immediately change that lead stage of that person or that contact to marketing engage, right? And after changing the lead stage, given a 1 hour time delay, we can customize this time delays. If you wanted 2 hours, or if you want it in days, we can do that. If you want this to be run only on specific days, we can choose that as well. I'm gonna go with 1 hour on every day, right? So after an hour of downloading that post brochure, we send an email campaign to that contact, right? So this can be a nurturing campaign which you want to start based on the brochure that person has downloaded, right? So After that email is being sent, we check the email activity. If that person has opened that email, we'll have a different journey for them, and for the ones who haven't opened that email, we'll have a different journey for them. So for the ones who have opened that email, we are going to assign these tags as leads which needs nurturing, and for the ones who haven't opened that email, we are going to send them to a different direction. We are going to have a time delay of 1 day, give them enough time to sort of see if they can engage with that email, and know if they are not engaging. After a day, we send them an SMS. This can be probably to based on the communication which you are sending. It can be an answering SMS as well, or can have a CTA based on what you have sent. Now we check the engagement of that SMS which you have sent after an hour. If that person has clicked on that particular SMS, and if that person, if they haven't delivered any or this SMS hasn't been delivered to them, right? So to after SMS, uh, after SMS campaign, which we create this two branches where not delivered and not clicked, and then after a time delay of 3 hours, we send them a WhatsApp message on WhatsApp as well. So here we are integrating three different channels. One is uh, email, one is SMS, and the last one being WhatsApp as well. So we make sure that for the person who has engaged with the email doesn't go to or doesn't receive the SMS, and for the ones who have engaged on SMS doesn't really get the message on WhatsApp as well. So each channel talks to each other and make sure that there is this unique experience among all these channels, and that's how we can craft cross-channel marketing using Zoho Marketing Automation. So I understand this has been a short session, so we can create different kind of unique experiences using Zoho Marketing Automation. Uh, Thank you, folks, for your time. We are gonna end the session here. Thanks, Ashraf, Nagaraj, and Ajit. Thank you so much for your valuable addition. So we're gonna end this webinar here. So if you have any questions for us, please do write to us. We have our support team always on and helping you with the queries as well. So for the folks who have ask for assistance in setting up omni-channel marketing strategy, our team is going to reach out to you. So you can schedule meetings with us, and then we can take it forward from there. We're going to share our webinar recordings for everyone who has joined and registered. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.